All my students love music. Their taste might be different, but they absolutely love music. I've used songs mostly as listening activity, for example, for vocabulary or for grammar, or just for fun, for example, with lyrics training. I've also tried for students to make songs in the classroom. But even if they write lyrics, they never get to create music. And comes Suno, an online website that lets you create your own songs, even the music. So how does it work? Always first you need to register. So let's sign up. I'm going to sign up through Google. You could use your own email account. You need to start creating your song. So how do you create your song? Very simple. You go to Create. Let's create our first song. We want to have it a bit, we can either go simple or we'd go into a bit more custom. Let's go for custom, so we have a bit more freedom. So for your own songs, you have two options. You can either write your own lyrics here, write your own lyrics. Hello, I love you so, and so on and so on and so on. Here at the bottom, you choose what kind of music you want. Let's say we want a bit more slow, romantic pop song. Okay. And when then you're done, you press create and it starts making the songs. You can also let it create your own songs. So you put it in auto and you want, I want a love song about two people falling in love. See if I can spell right. Falling in love on holiday. And then we create the song. You can add some more to it to have a bit more detail. Well, let's create the song. You push create and it starts creating the song. The only thing we have to do now is wait. As you can see, it created two songs. It always creates two songs, so you have a bit more choice of the music. So this is the first song. Under palm trees, swaying in the breeze. And this is the second song. Under palm trees, swaying in the breeze. Your laughter's like the waves, it sets me at. So these are the songs. Or, of course, you can let another AI write your song, copy paste it, tweak a little bit, change some things here and there, and then copy paste it into Suno. So let's copy the song and paste it in Suno. So now we have the different options of making songs. Now we have the songs. But how do we share them? To share the songs, you just have to go to your library. We're in the library here. You have different ways of sharing it. You go to the little dots here, and then here you can download it as an MP3. And then you can play it in the classroom, or you can share it, copy the link, and then send the link to the students in the classroom. Copy paste it in Chrome, and go to the dots here, go to save, cast, save and share, create a QR code, and then the student can use their phone to go to the song. Now students can listen to the songs. You can ask which song they like most. To save time at the beginning of the class, put them in pairs or small groups. That way they can work together. Plus, you don't have to listen to 20 songs afterwards. You can also create a gap fill for next class and make them listen again or play their song from time to time in class. So this is how we create a song with Suno. Now let us know how you use it.